Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. Firstly, welcome back and wishing everyone a very happy new year. We a good one for the investing public. Sort of quite interesting to note that if you were invested in New Zealand equities last year, the New Zealand equity market returned just around 25% over the course of the year. So people out there who are very nervous about shares and are skeptical about the returns from shares, there are some pretty reasonable returns to be had. And it's interesting, you obviously compare those with the bank term deposits that was sort of anywhere between sort of 4.2 to 5.2, and there were some pretty reasonable returns. Again, it's just a question of looking at quality companies, and certainly if there are some good dividend streams out there, there can be a reasonable income stream coming, which most New Zealanders are looking for. With the added advantage of potentially a little bit of capital growth as well. Most of the major issues over the holiday period seem to have been resolved. The US avoided falling off the fiscal cliff as most people thought they would, and they're now just trying to sort out the debt ceiling. And again, I think most people view there will be a resolution to that issue, and I say it's just a question of how that sort of performs and plays out with the markets. Domestically, the government is still looking at selling off some of the state asset sales. It'd be interesting to see how these go. There's still sort of quite a bit of confusion out there. And still quite a few legal hurdles, I think, to sort of clear before they actually come to the marketplace. And then with those, given those legal issues out there, it'll be interesting to see what the appetite is from the investing public. Most investors do like to see a bit of certainty. I'm saying if there are some potential legal challenges out there that may just dampen people's enthusiasm. Also a good time to review that portfolio. Just have a look and see what has performed, what hasn't, and if it hasn't performed, why it hasn't performed, and then sort of formalise a plan on whether it's worthwhile keeping or not, and if it does have to be jettisoned from their portfolio, indeed where you're going to place those funds. So call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. We look forward to speaking to you soon.